पण 2-3 आया सर्वे ऑर्डर आजच येणार आहे.
Looks like an egg.
How do we eat this?
Appetizer.
How to eat this?
Coconut jelly. Oh, हे थोडासा रसमलाई सारखा वाटत आहे. अच्छा, what do you recommend in like sushi? We want to experiment.
Veg and
Huh?
non-veg and veg.
इकडे होणार आहे ना. Take this one. Each one.
Okay.
मला टॅग
It took me at least 4 or 5 hours to make one. It was so bad. It's not professional, it's like random.
No, but you know, I also take like at least 3 to 4 hours to like edit one video. Like for 10
That's
minutes.
not a reel. That's
Yeah, that's a 10-minute, like 15-minute video. Yeah.
Mine was just like a 1-minute reel and I'm like, never gonna If you can make it laptop, then it's fine.
Laptop me the softwares and all they are like not free always, so it's easier to edit on.
You can't access the Instagram app.
I don't know. I don't use Instagram to edit videos. Yeah, I use different softwares.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
You'll get better ones.
Exactly. Yeah.
myself, Disha. So I used to like coffee, but I've actually left because it makes me jittery. But I still have it. The ones that I go for are usually caramel macchiato, or I like lotus biscuit frappe kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So I have left it, but I still have some time.
One day.
Yes.
Have you shifted to matcha now?
No, she
I
makes
did
tea.
try.
Okay, so myself Disha, I am 20 years old and I'm studying interior design. And yeah, I love coffee so much because that's just a design thing. Designer thing. Yeah. And my favorite, my favorite coffee is iced Americano. Yeah.
Hi, I am Bhairavi, a mother of 9-month-old baby. So I'm just a messed up.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, so my brain stops working if I don't have a coffee. And I love iced latte.
That's a fan favorite. So
Yeah.
happy birthday.
Thank you.
Actually,
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
That's how it's gonna be. Yeah. So I have a task for you. You have to name your drinks.
Yes.
Especially the cold brews.
yeah. So keep thinking about the names, and we're gonna record a short, cute videos. Okay, for that as well.
पोर्टा फिल्टर्स, इसमें हम कॉफ़ी लोड करते हैं, ब्लेंडेड कॉफ़ी लोड करते हैं, उसका शॉट निकलता है. दिस पोर्टा फिल्टर, दिस is called as group basket. ये जो basket दिख रही है, this is called as group basket. And this group head, यहाँ नीचे इसका पानी का inlet है. A basic coffee machine. So what this will do is, it will spread it equally. Like it's वो flat हो गया है और spread हो गया है. What tamper do is, उसके अंदर जितना भी air bubbles है, air gaps है, when we press it, उसके साथ नीचे से वो air निकल जाती है. We'll put milk of the stir it and फिर थोड़ा सा the cream.
Oh, that's nice.
You have more than a hold in your hand.
Yeah. It's tough.
Stability.
बहुत stability. And I was doing like बहुत जल्दी you're not supposed to do that.
vanilla ice latte बनाया था। घर में ice नहीं होगा तो मैं selling order कर लेती हूँ।
Peach and basket.
I'll give it afterwards.
It's okay. So भी experimentally whatever you want to make.
मैं scam भाई से डर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, because I've been scammed once for pottery workshop.
Not here.
Yeah, no, it will happen here as well because I saw the same link of the person scamming for that. Yeah, I won't do that myself. Ping ping. कैसे चम्मच है? Messy. Ulta cloud.